The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. As summer sizzles, homeowners aren't the only ones at risk when air conditioning units fail. Our pets are often silent victims of rising indoor temps. Vic Fredland with Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical is here to talk to us about keeping our furry friends safe in the Texas heat as part of our Clear the Shelters initiative, and we're happy to have them as our partners. So Vic, let's start with the number one mistake that pet owners make that can put animals at risk.
It's probably going to be that they turn the thermostat either off when they leave for work or for the day, or that they just turn the temperature up too high. They're trying to save money by turning the thermostat up higher, but then they don't realize how warm it's getting in the house.
So what should someone do if maybe, for example, their AC shorts out, they're away, and they know their pets are at home?
So if they know the AC is not working, if they have some kind of Wi-Fi thermostat or something that would give them the indication that it's not functioning, if they're too far away, or if the time would take too long for them to get home, then have neighbors or a relative or somebody that can go check on the animals, maybe move them to their house, get them out of the heat. But that would be it until they can get a service company out and get us out there to look at it.
How can folks keep, for example, older pets comfy, or pets that are, for example, huskies, something like that with a big thick fur coat, comfy without going into high electricity bills?
So one of the things you can do is, if you have sun coming into parts of the house through windows, close the drapes, close the blinds, try to keep that sun out. That's going to heat the air up even faster in the house. Have a ceiling fan, or if you have an oscillating fan, have that in an area where it's directing airflow across the animal if they're crated, or where their bed is. If you can put maybe some ice cubes in the water, keep the water cooler, that may or may not help.
There might be some red flags that people might be noticing around the house right now that they may not even realize is truly an HVAC issue. So what would some of those look like?
Things like noise. If it's making a lot more noise than normal, both from a squeaking mechanical noise, or even if you're having airflow issues where you hear less air than what you should, or if a coil's starting to freeze up, you're going to hear a lot of pressurized air because it's trying to get through ice. If it's not cooling enough, sometimes it even cool a little bit, you're understanding that maybe it's cooling, but it's getting muggy. Because one of the things an air conditioner does is it dehumidifies. And
you guys offer a really good deal here, a $79 tune-up.
Yes, ma'am.
You come out and you check out to see, how the HVAC unit is doing. If someone's watching today, they're interested in that special, they just want to know how to get started, what would you say?
Just give us a call. Let us know you want to get your system tune-up or an inspection. We'll come out and take a look at it and let you know you're either good to go or what issues you need to be concerned with.
Sounds good to me. Thank you so much for your time, Vic.
Thank you very much.
Abacus says you can count on us. Learn more at abacusplumbing.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical.